عطية.
Yes, teacher.
Look here, Ahmed Atiyah. If the number is 5, it means it's low. If the number is 20, it means it's high. Now look
Yes.
at iron. In this food, we have 15% of iron. Now look at these numbers. Iron, in
It's another.
comparison to these numbers, is it low, high, or okay?
Okay.
Okay, excellent. Ahmed Mustafa. Ahmed
Yes.
Mustafa. Look, Ahmed Mustafa, if the food have 5%, it's low. If it is 20%, it's high. Between 5 and 20 is okay. Now look at calcium. Look at calcium. We have 60% of calcium in this food. Is it low, high, or okay?
Okay.
Excellent. Okay. Because 5 is less, 20 is more. Between them is okay. Anas Abdurrahman. Anas Abdurrahman.
نعم يا مستر.
Look here, Anas Abdurrahman. Vitamin A. What is the percent of vitamin A in this food? Can you read this? 0%, right? Vitamin A in this food is 0. This means that this food doesn't have vitamin A. Is this right? Does this food have vitamin A?
Yes.
But here he writes 0. 0 means nothing. So this food doesn't have vitamin A. Is this right?
Yes.
So this food is low in vitamin A, or high in vitamin A, or okay in vitamin A?
Low in vitamin A.
Vitamin A.
Excellent. That's right.
Teacher, Malik said the answer, not
Thank you.
Anas.
Thank you. Thank you. Hamza. 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 Malik Saad.
Hamza.
Malik Saad.
Yes, Mister.
Look here, Malik Saad, at vitamin C.
Zero vitamin C.
They write in this food that this food has 0 vitamin C. Now look at these two numbers.
This food don't have any vitamins.
This food doesn't have any vitamins. So this food is healthy or unhealthy?
Unhealthy.
Unhealthy. So in here, students, here we, after reading these numbers, we decide that this food is unhealthy. Let me write it with the small letters. This food is unhealthy.
And
Yes, I write 2 letters U, so I will erase it and write it again correctly. UNHEALTHY. And I think also we should start with capital letter and we end with full stop. Why it's unhealthy, students? Because it doesn't have vitamins.
because it's 0.
0 vitamins. That's right. And also something else. When you
But
look here,
it has vitamins. He will be healthy.
yes, and look at the protein. It doesn't have
This is
enough
3.
protein. It doesn't have enough
3.
protein. 3 grams.
Mister, مش kilogram, مش kilogram is bigger than gram.
Yes, that's right. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams.
And sodium in this food is 115 milligram.
Yes, 115 milligram.
It's a very, 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 very big sodium in this. Sodium is not healthy.
Yes, and the sodium is not healthy. But it is 150 milligram, not 150 gram. Milligram is smaller than gram. Okay? But other things
Okay.
also. It doesn't have any vitamin. And here he writes, get enough of these nutrients. You have to get enough vitamin. You have to get enough iron. You have to get enough calcium. But when you eat this food, you will not eat any vitamin. You will not eat any vitamin A, not any vitamin C. You will not take enough.
Or B and D.
Yes. And also look at protein. It doesn't have enough protein. Only 3 grams. We need more than 3 grams.
It's very small.
So that's why we said this food is unhealthy. Let's move to another exercise. Here, students, we have 3 kinds of cereal. You know cereal, students? Cereal means the cornflakes that we eat on breakfast. Do you know it?
Yes.
Okay.
I
We
I
have
never
here
eat it.
3 kinds of cereal. Cereal A, cereal B, cereal C. And here are the numbers that teach us the nutrients inside each kind of cereal. We want to know how many grams of fat, sugar, protein in cereal A. How many grams of fat, sugar, protein in cereal B? How many grams of fat, sugar, protein in cereal C? After this, we decide which cereal is healthy, which cereal is the least healthy, and which cereal is the most healthy. Let's ask one of you to give us the answer. I think it's now Muaz. Muaz,
Yes.
Muaz, I want you to tell me how many fat, sugar, protein are there in cereal A. This is cereal A. These are the numbers. Find how many grams of fat, sugar, and protein.
What? 1 gram?
Yes, that's right. 1 gram of what? Of fat.
1 gram of fat.
That's right.
Total
Now,
fat.
how about sugar?
How about sugar?
It depends what.
115 milligram.
77.
I am not answer. 165 or what?
No, that's not correct. Look, we need the sugar, total sugar,
14 gram.
14 gram. So 1 gram of fat, 14 gram of sugar. What about protein?
What about protein? 1 gram.
1 gram only. Okay, thank you, Muaz. Muaz, keep these numbers because I will ask you later to tell me the numbers again.
Okay.
Now, Muhannad. Muhannad,
Teacher, can I answer?
I take turn as Malik al-Ginidi. It's now
Yeah.
Muhannad's turn. Muhannad,
Okay.
it looks like that Muhannad is not here. So we go again.
Teacher, Mohammad is here, but he is close the mic. What?
Who is X-Men?
What teacher?
Who are you?
I am one.
Muhannad, I want
Mr.
you to tell me, I want you to tell me how many grams of fat, sugar,
Mr. M,
and
answer.
protein are there in cereal B? How many grams of fat, sugar, and protein?
1 gram.
1 gram of fat. That's right. What about sugar?
8 gram.
That's right. And what about protein?
protein 4 gram.
Thank you very much, Muhammad. Muhammad, keep these numbers because I will ask you to tell me the numbers again.
Okay.
Omar Mu'min,
Yes.
I want you to tell me how many grams of sugar, fat, and the protein are there in cereal C. Cereal C. Fat, sugar, protein. Find the numbers.
Where? Mr. I'm not answering.
This is
Where?
cereal C, Omar. This is cereal C.
Okay.
Now, tell me the
Fat,
number of fat,
Fat,
sugar,
total fat
protein.
3 gram.
Yes, fat 3
Total
grams.
sugar 1 gram.
That's right.
Protein 4 gram.
That's right. Now, students, let's study this number. Omar just said that it has cereal C 4 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 3 grams of fat. And Muhannad, now tell me the numbers in cereal C, in cereal B, please.
Okay. Cereal A.
Cereal B.
Cereal B is
I think it was 1 gram of fat.
yes.
And the sugar? 8.
And the sugar 8.
Yes. And the protein?
4.
4. Thank you. Muaz,
Yes.
how many grams of fat in cereal A?
Cereal A.
1, right?
Yes, 1 gram.
And the sugar 14, right?
Yes. And teacher, and protein 1 gram.
1 gram. Now,
And sodium 234.
yes, but we don't need sodium here. We need fat, sugar, protein only.
Okay.
Now, Ziad. Ziad,
Yes, teacher.
look at these numbers carefully because we are going to decide which is the least healthy cereal. And we want to know what. Now, Ziad, which is the least healthy?
Cereal C.
Least healthy means very unhealthy. Least healthy means very unhealthy. Which food, which cereal is the least healthy means which cereal is the very unhealthy.
Unhealthy.
Do you remember, Ziad, that we should take less sugar and more protein?
Yes.
Now, if we take cereal A, does this mean that we take less sugar and more protein or more sugar?
More sugar.
Is it good for our health to eat more sugar?
No.
So now, which cereal is unhealthy?
Cereal A.
That's right. Why?
Because
Because much
14.
sugar. Much sugar. Is this right, Ziad?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Now, let's ask Asir. Asir?
Yes, miss.
We
Yes.
said that cereal A is very unhealthy because cereal A has much sugar and less protein. Now, my question for you, which cereal is the most healthy? And the most healthy means very, very healthy. Which cereal of these 3 cereals is very healthy? It is not A. Which one of B or C?
C.
C.
Yes.
Excellent. Why is cereal C very healthy? Because it has much sugar or less sugar?
Because it have less sugar. Less.
Excellent. Now, students, let's write these answers in the questions.
And 3 fat.
Yes, Malik, we decide to compare the cereal in sugar.
And 4 protein.
Let me
Don't
stop you.
Don't write, please.
Let me stop you from writing. Now I can write.
Why?
The question said which cereal is the least healthy, which means very unhealthy. The answer is cereal A. What evidence, or in other words, why is cereal A very unhealthy? Because it has much sugar. Question number 2, which cereal is the most healthy or very, very healthy? The answer is cereal C. What evidence did you consider for your answer, or why it's very healthy? Because it has less.
Teacher, what does the mean consider?
Think. What evidence do you think for your answer? Consider means think. Less sugar.
Okay, and evidence.
Evidence means idea. What is the idea that you studied which makes you think that this food is very unhealthy?
Okay.
Can I move now, students, to the next question?
Yes.
No!
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I think this is the last thing for our lesson because we are going to finish in 1 minute.
This is done.
Teacher, can you write?
What?
Teacher, can you
Mister, I am finished. ترى كنت حللت قبل كده.
Okay.
don't speak Arabic, please.
Are you teacher?
How does the nutrition label help you decide which breakfast? Now we are going to finish. Time is up.
Teacher, we're going again.
Bye. Bye.